Assalamu alaikum dear students. I do hope that definitely you will be fine with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to see another letter that produces a sound. Okay, and I also do hope that definitely in our previous examples and as well as in the light of the previous lectures, you will be capable to make the true, or if not absolutely true, but the proper pronunciations. So let's come and see that how this letter or this sound is to be produced, like with the letters of O and U. Okay, today we are going to make another pronunciation that also does produce a sound. Okay, and how we have to make the focus on it, this is what we have to see. Okay, in front of you, if you see in this screen, you see the two letters O and U. Both O and U, these two letters do, when jointly together, they do produce a sound. How? Let's see how the sound is being produced. First of all, the very first word is touch. Touch. Listen it very carefully. How? Listen it. Touch. Again. Touch. Okay. This one. Okay. Next one is rough. 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 Next one is young. Young. Next one is trouble. Trouble. Next one is couple. Couple. So as we make practice, now let's see that how we do pronounce the further next letters that does produce a sound. The next one is country. 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 Next one is crush. Country. Next one is cousin. Cousin. And after that, the next one is enough. Enough. Normally we do pronounce this enough. No, this is the wrong pronunciation. We have to make the right pronunciation is enough. Enough. The next one is southern. 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 So you have these words in front of you on the screen. Do make practice. As you make practice, ultimately your pronunciation will become good. I do hope that definitely you will be capable to understand all these R sound very clearly. Still, if you find any kind of a problem, you can share your views with me on my channel Zubair's Academy. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Touch.